I wonder if you turn the key and you pull that switch or something. I bet you. Hi, I'm Quentin.
And I'm Christina.
What are you doing?
This is Sailing Abroad.
Last time on Sailing Abroad was our trip to Florida. I will leave a link in the description below, so be sure to check that out.
Oh yeah. Wait till you see the inside, man. The inside here. We can lower it in the water or do whatever. You know what? Let's leave it for now. Just be careful.
Boy, it drops her slow, doesn't it? I wonder if you turn the key and you pull that switch or something. I bet you there's a way to do it.
No, it should just turn.
What happens if you flip the switch with the key on?
Oh, how long it's been. You guys don't laugh at me, you promise?
What?
She's laughing already. Alright, so this doesn't do anything. I'm not sure about that, but you turn the key and then you hit the button. Let it settle a little bit.
She pumping water out. Okay, let's see where we're at. We're there. We have got to go all the way down to here. Oh, yeah, that's Hooker Point. So, we have got a long ways to go. Yep. That's where we're at. So, we got the navigation. It's inside of the boat. It's a little dirty. There's another GPS there. We got a roller furler. Boy, she's a tall one. We're about to get some storms. Oh, my wife's calling me. First Florida rainstorm on the yacht. It's
Did you throw my purse too, or are you gonna carry it?
Do what?
Did you throw my purse too, or are you gonna carry it?
Yeah, I would put it in your purse.
It's in there.
Okay. I'm 6'1". Barely made it.
Yeah.
What you think?
Looks nice.
We could use some gussying up, but she's very nice.
Yeah.
For what, a 38-year-old yacht?
Yeah. See, next to you, baby.
Yeah. Bathroom, sink. Bathroom, it's got a door. So just slide this way. Got your storage. Yeah, it got wet, so it's a little dirty. Yeah. The table will fold down. Huh? Oh, the winch handles for the winches. Oh yeah, our little. I'll just set it right here for now. We're gonna clean her up really good tomorrow. It's got the bimini top. Got the Simrad.
So it has all the things for the Dodger too, right?
Yes, everything is there. We'll just leave the Dodger on. I'm not expecting a hurricane anytime soon. Here you go, baby. Get me in the boat. Go back underneath the bimini. You not used to the movement?
No, I'm not used to having to move around this thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry.
On a yacht.
Yeah.
That's where my boat's getting pulled out. Right there. So we'll go right there with those. Got some scrubbing and cleaning to do. Quite a bit. Looks like barnacles to me. There she is. She's all the way up out of the water. The keel, it's got some barnacle growth on it. Barnacles on the side of the boat. The rudder. Barnacles. You're on video. What are you doing?
Sitting on my phone on a boat in Florida.
You're sitting on a yacht in Florida?
Yep, on a sailboat.
The hatch is open. There's the bathroom. The bathroom is its own room too. Let me see if I can get to the door. Hey, fold that leg up on that side, on this one. There we go. Yeah, see, here's the bathroom door. You see that? Bathroom sink. The bathroom got its own separate room. Really squeaky. Ooh, hit my head on that. Right there. Hot. Look at it, look at it hold that water.
Mm-hmm.
Put some waterproofing on it. Right?
Yeah.
There's my furling jib. I got my colors. And now we're looking aft on my rigging down inside the V-berth here. What does that mean? There's the decks. Ooh. Next time on Sailing Abroad, we take a break from the boat for one day and go check out a local beach and explore the local area to see what it had to offer. So stay tuned. That episode will be coming soon.